If the sky lies to you for 5 minutes, would you bet your career on catching it? May 29th, 1919. On a tiny speck in the Atlantic, Principe Island, rain hangs in the air like a warning. Far across the ocean in Sobral, Brazil, the heat shimmers above the ground. Two teams, two sets of telescopes. One shared fear, the clouds. Because today the sun is about to vanish, and in that darkness, a silent theft might be revealed. The target isn't the eclipse itself. It's the stars. There's a strange claim floating through the scientific world, almost heretical, that gravity doesn't just pull on planets, it can bend light. Not in theory, not in poetry, in the sky, measurable, undeniable. Einstein has written it down, now the universe has to answer. But how do you prove something like that? You wait until the sun's glare is cut off. During totality, stars near the sun's edge should become visible. And if Einstein is right, those stars won't appear exactly where they're supposed to be. Their light will have been nudged, curved by the sun's gravity on its way to Earth. A tiny shift, a fraction of a hair's breadth, so small it could be dismissed as error or become the moment physics changes forever. On Principe, the sky plays cruel games. Clouds drift in at the worst times, swallowing precious seconds. The air is wet, the equipment temperamental, the pressure unbearable. In Sobral, the opposite problem. The instruments fight the heat. Focus slips, glass expands, the stars, those faint pinpricks, refuse to make this easy. And then it happens. The world dims, shadows sharpen, birds go quiet, totality drops like a curtain, and for a brief, unreal moment the sky reveals its secret cast. The teams capture plates, ghostly photographs of starlight threaded around a blackened sun. They know they've got something, but they don't know if they've got out enough. Because the real battle begins after the eclipse. Measuring. Back home, the plates are compared to normal images of the same star field taken when the sun isn't nearby. Numbers are extracted from smudges. Lines are drawn through uncertainty, and every calculation feels like walking a tightrope over ridicule. Then the shift appears. Not huge, not dramatic, but consistent. Stars displaced just as gravity curves space predicts. Light, bent. The universe answering, softly but unmistakably. Einstein was onto something real. And with that, the sky stops being a flat stage. Space becomes something alive, flexible, warped by mass, turning gravity into geometry. A new kind of reality, hiding in plain sight until the sun blinked. If that gave you chills, help this channel grow. Like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment. Would you have trusted your life's work to 5 minutes of darkness?